Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Rahul. I am a senior PPC executive at Softix. Today we are back with another case study, and this time we will let you know how we got almost 25 plus monthly leads with a CPA of $32 for the insurance business. Client overview. Our client is a well-established insurance provider operating in financial service industry. They offer a variety of insurance including life, health, auto and home insurance. The client aimed to increase their lead generation through targeted Google Ads campaign in the Canadian market. Objective. The primary objective was to generate high quality leads at a cost effective rates. The target was to achieve a cost per acquisition of less than $32. Challenges. Highly competitive market. The insurance industry is highly competitive with a lot of companies competing for the same keywords. High CPC. Keywords related to insurance tend to have high CPC, making it challenging to maintain a low CPA. Ad relevance. Ensuring that the ads were relevant to the search queries and attracted to the right audience. Strategy. To address these challenges and achieve the client's objectives, we implemented comprehensive strategy that include multiple things like keyword research and selection. Conducted extensive keyword research to identify high intent keywords with a balance of search volume and competition. Utilized a mix of broad match, phrase match and exact match keywords to capture a wide range of relevant search queries. Implemented negative keywords to eliminate irrelevant traffic and reduce wasted spend. Ad copy optimization. Created a compelling ad copy that highlighted the unique selling point of the client insurance service. Include strong call to action to encourage user to take the desired action. Tested multiple ad variation to identify the highest performing ads. Landing page optimization. Designed dedicated landing pages for each insurance services, ensuring a seamless user experience. Ensured that the landing page were mobile friendly, fast loading and had clear CTA. Implemented A/B testing to improve the landing page conversion rates. Bid management and budget allocation. Utilized automated bidding strategy such as target CPA to optimize bid for conversions. Allocated budget dynamically based on the performance of the keywords and ad groups. Adjusted bids based on the geographic performance to maximize the result in highly converting regions. Ad extension. Utilized ad extension including site link, call and location extension to enhance ad visibility and CTR. Provided additional information and multiple conversion paths to users. Continuous monitoring and optimization. Regularly monitored campaign performance and made data-driven adjustments. Conducted weekly performance review to identify trends and opportunities for optimization. Implemented seasonal and promotional adjustment to align with the market trends. Now let's talk about the results. Our strategic approach and continuous optimization efforts led to outstanding result for the client. We successfully generated 25 plus high quality leads per month for our client. Cost per acquisition. Achieved an average CPA of $32, meeting the client target. Conversion rate. Improved overall conversion rate through optimization, ad copies and landing pages. Now let's talk about conclusion. Through a well-structured and data-driven Google Ads campaign, we successfully helped our client in the insurance industry achieve their lead generation goals at a cost-effective rates. Our strategic approach, combined with continuous monitoring and optimization, ensured sustained success in the highly competitive market. Now, if you have running ads in the same niche and are not happy with the current result, then reach out us for a free audit via the WhatsApp number on the top right. Now PPC ads are running jet and looking to expand your business, then contact us with your website URL, monthly budget and location targeting for a tailored proposal. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more success stories and insight. Thank you.